Alrighty, Kevin, here's your 383 small block Chevrolet. Give you a description of this combination. Got center bar ass cast in. We got the Holley Terminator system on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller, roasted oil pan. The CVF front end. Winner make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. 3,500, 439 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 458, horsepower 477. Rated 470, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Do not pull the pipes back, make sure it's too clean. Show you a couple things. You can see here, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, it's full of technical information. It's great, we do this in the section. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.